In this training video, we will be going over programming your moisture map structures and materials. So as you can see, there's two different lists here that you can program. The first one is your structures. So we've got in here attic, ceiling, flooring. You certainly could add more by going to this input box right here and then clicking on plus. You can add as many as you want. We even put wall A, B, C, D, and so forth. But you can put whatever you want in here for structures that you're working on. And if you wanted to erase something, you can go to this trash can and get rid of that item. If you wanted to revert back to your original list, you could certainly click on this button here. That's our original list that we provide for you as well. The secondary one here is the material drop-down management. It's the material that you're working on. So if you're doing water mitigation, for example, you could be drying the carpet or you could be drying drywall. These two lists are going to appear in another area, and I'll show you where it goes, but this is for programming. We have the same input box down here if you want to add other areas for drying or whatever it is you're working on. It's not just for drying, it could be anything that you want it to be for the material that you're working on. And after you do your programming, this is where it shows up. This is for your moisture map. So in this case, these are the structures. I chose ceiling before, and that's where you programmed it in under programming before. And then here is drywall. Okay, but this is the list that you made. Okay, so it could be something else. Let's say you're drawing paneling, and then that's paneling. So that's where the programming goes when you're working on your moisture map. To your success, and thank you for watching.